Today we're going to be doing our biggest barbecue sandwich on our Traeger grill. My name is RJ and this is Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. Alright, so this is the biggest barbecue sandwich. This is another epic recipe from Malcom Reed. Saw this, he put this up on TikTok and I was like, I have to try that. The sandwich looks good. So what do we need for this sandwich? We have chicken thighs. We have Killer Hogs barbecue rub. Our barbecue of choice is going to be from Lane's Kinda Sweet. You're going to need some coleslaw. You're going to need some smoked sausages. We're using white sub roll. It's going to be so good. So now let's go ahead and add some rub to this chicken thighs. So we're just going to go ahead and add that delicious rub on it. You want to add rub on both sides of this chicken thighs. And chicken thighs is one of my favorite things. Love the chicken thighs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut our sausages about that long, and we're just gonna cut them all all the way until they open just like that. So we're gonna do one more. Now that we have our sausage all cut and ready, we're gonna set our Traeger grill to 300 degrees. Our chicken thighs internal temp that we're going by is 165. So once they reach 165, we're gonna add the barbecue sauce and let them ride for another 10 to 15 minutes. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Traeger. All right, our Traeger grill is up to temp, 300 degrees. Set these in here, and we'll be back when they hit 165 internal temp. All right, our chicken has hit 165 internal temp. Let's go ahead and add some barbecue sauce. Alright, we'll be back in about 10 minutes. Alright, we left this for 10 minutes. Now let's go ahead and take it out. Alright guys, so we are ready to build this. And so before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did. Went ahead and toasted our sub rolls. We're going to add some mayonnaise. Alright, now that we have our mayonnaise, we're going to go ahead and add all our meat together. Like that. Now we're going to add our sausages. Just like that. So far, so good. Now we're going to add a coleslaw. Now, if you guys want to make your own, go ahead. But I just want to go ahead and bought it. And then we close it. I am ready to take a bite out of this bad boy. All right, let's give this bad boy a cut. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad at all. That was so good. It was a good recipe from Malcom Reed. I hope you guys like this. Try it out for yourself. See you guys next time.